In this video, we will learn how to generate AI videos for free and unlimited step by step. So let's get started. Basically, there are 4 easy steps involved. First, we need Node.js. Then we need TSX file. Then we will download renderer files. And finally, we will render the video. So first, search for Node.js and visit its website. Here, click on Get Node.js. On the following page, you can filter out your system. We are using Windows, so select Windows. If you're using Mac, select Mac. Then finally click Windows Installer. Now the setup was downloaded. Run it and complete the installation. The Node.js was successfully installed. To confirm it, on your laptop, search for cmd and open command prompt. Here, type the following command. I will provide in the video description as well. This will give the current version of Node.js, which means that it was installed successfully. Now, the step 1 is completed. We will move on step 2. In step 2, we need a TSX file. We are using Claude for this purpose. You can use any other AI as well. In Claude, left sidebar, click on Projects. And here, type the project name. I am giving this project video generation. You can give any name. Then click Create Project. Now, on this page, you need to add some instructions. So, click the plus icon next to instructions. Here, paste the following instructions. I will provide in the video description. Click Save Instructions. Now it's ready to generate a TSX file. For example and demo, we are generating a Google logo reveal video. So I will paste a prompt. Now click enter. Now it's ready to generate TSX file and is generating it. Once generated, copy the TSX code. Now step 2 is completed. We are moving on step 3. In step 3, we need to download the renderer files. I will provide the download link in the video description. Once you download the zip file, unzip it. You will get the following files. I have sorted them in a folder named as Claude. You can give the folder name as you want. Now here, we need to create a new file. So right click, then click new, then choose text document, and here open this text document and paste the following code we just generated using Claude. It's basically TSX code. Once you pasted it, click Save As, then Save As type all files and rename it as preview.tsx. Then save it. Now go back and delete text document as the preview.tsx file is ready. After saving the preview.tx file, you need to make sure that you keep the names of these 2 files in mind. Number 1, preview.tsx. Number 2, render.bat. Now step 3 is completed. Let's move on step 4. In step 4, copy the path of this folder and open command prompt by typing cmd. Here, you need to paste the path. Type cd space, then paste the path. Click enter. Now type render.bat space preview.tsx and hit enter. Now it will take some time before completing the setup and rendering the video. It will take some time for the first time, but it will be faster when you generate it second time. Now it took 30 seconds for me and rendered the video. You can see our video is ready, which is the output. It will be placed inside the same folder where the renderer files exist. You can see the MP4 file is ready in this folder. Let's open and play it. Here you go. The logo reveal video is now ready. So this is how you can generate any video for your project using AI. Let's jump in and generate another video. For another video, we go back and give a prompt to Claude so it generates a TSX file. This time we will generate a video for countdown. Now once it generates the TSX file, copy and go back in the folder. Here open the preview.tsx file using Notepad. You can use any other editor as well. Once here you need to remove the previous code and here paste the new code we just generated. Then save it. Now again open the cmd command prompt and here type render.bat space preview.tsx. Hit enter. Now it will take some time and give us the output. You can see the output is now ready. Let's go in the Claude folder and here play the mp4 file. You can see the countdown is now ready. This is it for this video, and this is how you can generate any AI video for free and unlimited.